Hello, my name is Katie Weber with REMAX Capital Properties here in Cheyenne, Wyoming. "20 years ago, my husband and I were lucky enough to relocate to Cheyenne from our hometown of Lusk, Wyoming. We were able to raise 3 kids in a place that offered so many great opportunities and lifelong experiences. Cheyenne has the great security of a smaller town in addition to great shopping, restaurants, and activities that a larger town can give. If you can't find what you need here, the Front Range of Colorado is less than an hour away. The lifelong friends and great employment opportunities that we have in Cheyenne are exactly what my husband and I were looking for to find our forever home. In addition, the great outdoors are at our fingertips. Great scenery, hunting, fishing, hiking, biking, camping, and boating are just a few of the things the area has to offer. Cheyenne also has a very interesting and rich history that has kept us busy as well. We love and appreciate the area and the people that are here. Again, this will be our forever home.